Welcome back to CS Education Standards. So CS ကနေပြန်နေကြဆိုလိုက်ပါရှင်။ဒီနေ့ကကျွန်တော်က week 1ရဲ့ day 3ကိုရောက်ပါပြီ။ So let me share my screen. Screen လေး share ပြရစီ။ Okay, today week 1ရဲ့ day 3မှာကျွန်တော်ကplanning လုပ်မလဲဆိုတော့ future prediction and arrangement ပါ predict ခန့်မှန်းပေါ့နော် prediction ခန့်မှန်းချက်တွေနဲ့စီစဉ်မှုတွေအကြောင်းကို discuss လုပ်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ဒါကတော့ future prediction နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ backup လေးပေါ့နော်။အဓိကအဖြစ် predict လုပ်တယ်ဆိုတဲ့ကခန့်မှန်းတာ future tense ပေါ့။တနည်းအားဖြင့်တော့ future tense. future tense က with verb 1 with verb 1ဒါကို grammar test သီးသန့်သင်တာမဟုတ်ဘဲနဲ့သင်နေတဲ့ topic တွေထဲမှာမှ grammar test ကိုထည့်သွားမယ်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ Okay, future predicts backup ကြည့်အောင် will or what will sorry will လို့မဟုတ်ဘူးเนาะ will or what used to predict the future ကိုခန့်မှန်းတဲ့အခါမှာသုံးတယ် it will rain tomorrow လက်ဖြင့်ပြရလိမ့်မယ်။ချက် example လေးပါထည့်ပေးထားရပါတော့။အခုက probably something is likely to happen ဖြစ်တော့မဲ့ပုံစံမျိုးဖြစ်နေမှာ she will probably come to the party ဒါ party ကိုလာလောက်တယ်လာနိုင်ခြေရှိတယ် maybe ဆိုတာလိမ့်မယ် perhaps ဆိုတာဖြစ်ကောင်းဖြစ်နိုင်တာเนาะ there is a chance of something happening maybe we were visit the museum အဲ့ဒီမှာ sentence လေးပါထည့်ပေးထားပါတယ် I think I believe giving an opinions about the future I think I believe တို့ဟာမျိုးကိုyou can use the giving an opinions about the future ပေါ့ future အကြောင်းကိုကိုယ့်ရဲ့အမြင်ကိုပြောပြခြင်းတဲ့အခါမျိုးမှာ suggestion တို့ opinions တို့ပေးတဲ့အခါမှာသုံးပြရပါတယ် I think it will be sunny next week forecast a prediction about the weather or future events forecast weather forecast တွေပါပြောတယ်လေနော်အဲ့တော့ the weather forecast say is where snow expect မျှော်လင့်တာနော် to think something will happen I expect my friends to arrive soon ဟုတ်ကကြတော့မျှော်လင့်ချက်ဘယ်လိုသုံးလဲပေါ့နော်ဘယ်လိုသုံးလဲဆိုတာလေးပါချက်အဲ့ဒီ sentence လေးနဲ့ဖတ်ပေးထားတာပါ I want to something to happen I hope we will win the game okay ဒါကတော့ predict ဒါက arrange ပါ going to normal choose for the plan action I'm going to meet my teacher tomorrow planning making a decision about the future we are planning a trip next month arrange or arrangement organize a future activities we arrange a meeting at 3 p.m. appointment change ဆိုမှုပေါ့နော် a fixed time to meet someone I have a dentist appointment on Friday schedule လည်းခေါ်လို့ရတယ် you can or schedule is also okay a list of planned event or activity my schedule is busy next week meet or meeting get together with someone at a planned time we will meet at the cafe book or reservation booking ပေါ့နော် booking ကကြတော့ noun ဖြစ်သွားတယ် book ကကြတော့ verb နော် book or reservation arrange in advance တင်ချောင်စီစဉ်ထားတဲ့အရာကို I book a table at the restaurant ဒါတော့ backup တွေဖြစ်တဲ့ဒီ predict နဲ့ arrangement တွေရဲ့ backup တွေဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒါကြတော့ matching ပေါ့နော် matching ပြန်လုပ်ကြည့်ရင်ဒီ predict နဲ့ arrangement တွေကိုရောပြီးတော့မှဒီဘက်ကပေးထားတာ words ကရောပြီးပေးထားတာ meaning ကပြန်ပြီးတော့ match လုပ်ပေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ပေးထားတဲ့ words တွေကကြတော့ will going to probably maybe planned appointment schedule hope arrange and forecast meanings မှာကြ a fixed time to meet someone used to predict the future something you expect or when to happen organize or set up a future activity a list of planned event or activity something is likely to happen directed in advance to do something used to talk about planned activity there is a chance of something happening a prediction about the weather or event Now, if you forgot about the meanings, you can ပြန်ပြီးတော့ recap ပြန်ရစ်ကြည့်လို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒါကတော့ video class ပဲအားသာချက်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ပြီးသွားရင်ရှေ့ရဟာလေးပြန်ကြည့်ပြီးတော့မှဒီ matching exercise လေးကိုအိမ်စာလုပ်ပြီးတော့ချက်ကိုပို့ပေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခေတ္တဗီဒီယိုလေးထည့်ပေးထားတာပါဒီချင်းလေးတူကြည့်ရအောင် ways to speak about the future.
So, are you guys going to Gus's party on Saturday?
Going to.
Yes, Steve and I will be there. But I think we'll be late. Do you think that'll be okay?
I think so. He told me that most people are going to show up around 7.
Okay, great. We're going out for dinner with Steve's parents at 6, so we will probably arrive just after 9. John, are you going to Gus's party?
No, I'm going to be studying for my midterm test on Saturday. The test is on Monday. Who will be going?
Well, I would guess that around 10 people will be there.
Cool. Will Sally be there?
Yes, she's coming, but she's going to bring her new boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Oh, well. Anyway, Marcus, are you still going to Australia next week?
Yes, I'm flying next Thursday, and I'm going to spend the first few days in Sydney. And then I'm going to rent a caravan and tour around the country.
Cool! How long are you going to be gone?
I just quit my job at the bank, so I will have plenty of time to enjoy a long vacation. I think it's going to be an incredible trip, so I will stay as long as I can. What about you, John? What are you going to do after you graduate?
Maybe I'll take a vacation too. I don't know. I'll decide then.
Hey, what are you guys doing tonight? Since Marcus is leaving next week, he and I are going to a live show at the pub downtown for a little going away party. Want to come?
Cool.
Count?
Who's playing?
Japanda Banda. I think it will be an awesome show.
The panda
Sounds
band
fun,
is
but I
Vietnamese,
can't.
you know?
I'm going to work on my project tonight because I'm giving a presentation at noon tomorrow and I need to be ready. But I will call you if I finish early.
Sure. We will be there at 7, and the show starts at 8. John, will you come?
Maybe. Will Sally be there?
I'll invite her and her boyfriend.
Oh yeah, boyfriend. I forgot. Okay, I'll come. I will be a little late because I'm going to be in class until 7. Will you get me an extra ticket and I'll pay you back when I get there?
No problem.
Okay, if everyone is going, I will go too. I will try to finish my project as quickly as I can.
Great! It's going to be a fun night. I'll miss you guys when I'm in Australia.
We'll miss you too. I'm sure it's going to be the trip of a lifetime. Oh, hi guys! Sally! We were just making plans for tonight. We're going to a concert. Want to join us? Sure, I would love to. I just broke up with my boyfriend and it will be good to get out with friends. John, are you going?
Cool.
Okay, it's just conversation ပေါ့နော်ဒါလည်း conversation တွေပါဒီ predict that will go into ကြောင်းပြောထားတဲ့ video လေးပေါ့နော် Okay အဲ့တော့ကျွန်တော်ကဒီစောစောပြောသလိုပဲ predict လုပ်တယ်ဆိုရဲခံမှန်းတာခံမှန်းနေဆိုရဲကျွန်တော်က future tense ကိုသုံးရပြီအဲ့တော့ future လို့ပြောလိုက်တဲ့အခါမှာ technology ကဘာကဖြစ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ဆယ်နဲ့အတူတူဖတ်ကြည့်ရအောင် Technology is changing very fast. Many people are trying to predict what will happen in the next 10 or 20 years. So translate မလုပ်ပြရပါဘူးเนาะ This is pre-intermediate ပါ Some predictions are easy to imagine and some are surprising. Many experts think that the future most cars will drive by themselves. People will not need to control the car. This will make driving safer and faster. Some people also believe that flying car could exist one day. Maybe we will use them for short trip between cities. Computer and robot will also become smarter. Robots may help people in hospital, school, and home. For example, a robot could help an old person cook, clean, or even talk to friends. Computer may be able to answer questions like teacher or doctor. Some scientists say that effort အဲ့ဒါကကြတော့လေ ARDI, FICIA, Artificial Intelligence ဆိုတာကကြ sorry Artificial Intelligence ကဒါ AI ပြောတာပါနော် AI will help solve many problems in the world. People also predict big change in communication. In the future, we may use the special glasses or device to see and talk to friends in 3D. 3D dimension will not 3D. Traveling for business may not be necessary because people can meet in virtual room. However, technology has both good and bad effects. While life may become easier, some people worry about losing jobs to robots. Other worries about privacy because computer may know too much about people. Even though nobody knows exactly what will happen, experts agree that technology will change our life. Some prediction will come true and some may not. The future is full of possibility and people need to prepare for those changes carefully. Thoughts? ဒါလည်းတကယ်အမှန်တကယ်ပဲပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ဆရာတို့ဒီ passage လေးကိုဖတ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါမှာတော့ဘာဖြစ်တွေးတစ်ခုတော့ရသွား future prediction ဖြစ်စေ future technology နော် okay ဒါကကြတော့ speaking practice question ဖြစ်ပါတယ် so what's next technology do you think will be common in the next 10 years ဒါလေးကို record ယူပြီးတော့ချက်ရှိပြပြဖြစ်ပါတယ် do you think people will drive car by themselves in the future? The why or why not? You have to give the reason. How might robot help people at home or at work in the future? Do you think technology will make life easier or more difficult? Explain. No? ဆရာတို့တက်တော့ပါရေးကြည့်ရချင်းအတက်ကျူယူပြဆိုတာမျိုးရှိရလေ technology သုံးတာများဥပမာဆိုရင်အတောင်ဒီတကားတွေပါဆိုရင် open the door စကားလေးနဲ့ဖွင့်လေချောင်းတာနေတော့တကားဖွင့်ခိုင်းလို့မရတော့နော် for example ဒီလို scan နိုင်တဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်း make လိမ့်ထားပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်လက်မှာအဲ့လိုလက်သေးကိုဓာတ်ချတော့ပဲဖြစ်စေ scan လုပ်လို့မရတော့ဘယ်လိုမျိုးလဲရှိတာပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ the next one က so if you could have one new technology today what would it be and why and give the reason ပါ so ဒီနေ့ technology အကြောင်းမှာကျတော့ predict လုပ်တဲ့ vocab တွေပြောသွားတယ် arrange လုပ်တဲ့ vocab တွေသုံးတဲ့ phrases တွေကျတော့ပြောခဲ့တယ်ပြီးတော့ predict လုပ်တဲ့ future tense ကိုပြန်ပြီးတော့ remind လုပ်တယ်เนาะဒီဟာလေး homework အနေနဲ့ပို့ပေးရမယ် so that's all for today if you have a question you can ask me anytime matching exercise တွေလုပ် bye bye